Okay, so this was hopefully the solution. I couldn't tighten this nut onto this spool, whatever it is, this I guess screw. It's threaded further on in, and the only way really to tighten it was before by hand, because I don't have my tools. I don't have a proper wrench. So if I kept this stationary, this is the screw essentially, and I'm able to put this over the nut, I am able to tighten. And I was able to get it tight, extremely tight. I was afraid I was going to break it actually, but I needed to get this vertical so that the handle can slide over and I can put a pin through this. This needs to be vertical, the pin needs to be horizontal. So next step is to put on the handle, and hopefully I can get the pin to go through, because that was the problem before. The nut wasn't further enough in, the nut wasn't further enough in, and I wasn't able to put the pin through the hole. I wasn't able to line it up. So let's go find out. Everything's a project. Oh, now where's the pin in the... Oh, for fuck's sake. Thought the pin was in this thing. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Pin is in. Now not to lose the cotter pin. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. Fuck. You see that? I can't bend that. It's too small. I don't have pliers. I think what I'm going to do is just use one, split it, and then later go back and fix it. If I can even open. I don't even know if I can open that. Okay, I got the cotter pin in. I just gotta hopefully get this sealed. I don't know if this bolt is going to reach the way it is right now. It's not. Why is that? It's not one thing, it's something else. Don't make me go get soap. Like that close. It's either not seated properly or something's expanded or contracted due to cold, or I don't know. It went on there the other day perfectly, easily, even. Definition of insanity happening in front of your eyes. So close, I thought I fixed it. Oh yes, it wasn't engaged properly. Nice. Come on, baby, catch. We have contact. Screw is through the nut. Handle is on. Nice. Seal is made. I'm not going to keep cranking because I'm not excited about breaking anything else. Now I'm going to go find out if there's a seacock on this thing before I try to pump out the bilge, because last time I just started pumping and I broke one of the discs, and I'm wondering if it's because I was forcing something I shouldn't be forcing. Anyways, project done.